feel me? It's your girl Tony. I'm outside right now, waiting on the bus. Actually, the bus finna come right now. But yeah, I'm going to see my girlfriend. I'm going to be with my girlfriend, obviously. But I'll see y'all later, cause the bus finna come, and I hate recording on the bus. So yeah. What's up? Anyways, I'm back. I had to turn off the TV for a minute, but I'm here at my girlfriend's house. Right now, I'm finna edit this picture for the next the video that's actually finna be uploaded before mine's. I'm doing this right now, but she just brought me some food.
Like, see, I'm just fucking tired right now. Like,
But yeah,
can't you do my hair?
she always talking about doing her hair. Like, gee, I'm just so fucking tired right
Cause
now.
I'm gonna put my Dewey back on.
Come on, Dewey.
I don't know what the fuck wrong with me
Bro.
today. Like, the shower was too fucking cold.
When I tell you, this is good. Man, a school mile.
Like, I'm down there growing an afro. I wasn't trying to be a part of Jackson 5, making the Jackson Suite. I was just trying to be a YouTuber, you know? Make videos every day. Like, I
Well,
want to push. Like, I just want to lay on you and go to fucking sleep. But I can't do that because I got shit to do.
Right.
So, I already procrastinate too much about waiting on the fucking showers to get hot on damn shit ain't gonna never get hot. Like, I keep doing that. And it's not getting hot. Like, I'm tired of taking cold showers. And the only reason why I'm venting to you, because
Come on, now, don't come over and do that.
I almost died.
Okay.
Don't worry about food. Anyways, I'm just sitting over here coming to vent to you because I feel like shit because of water cold. I know when I get out the shower part feel decent, but damn. Like, I want my muscles to, like, my muscles just tight, like, can't crack my back. I feel like, now I'm watching Naruto today. And then my hair, I'll blow dry my hair. And it took me damn near 2 hours to finish.
It takes me 3 hours. Actually, not 3 hours, but 5 hours to actually make sure everything is straight. Because you have to take your time in every part.
Like, I don't know how to do the back of
And
my
then,
right here part. It's so hard. Fucking blow dry my hair as fuck. And when I'm
Freaking
blow
love
dry my
macaroni,
hair
bro.
the right way, it don't look
Love it.
long. Maybe a lot long on my big TV. I'll watch this video later off her channel. And I'm gonna look at myself like,
wow, I'm really ugly.
no, I ain't ugly. I'm gonna just look at myself like you ain't shit, you know that? But your video gonna go viral. I tell myself that every day. And your girlfriend video gonna go viral. Like, y'all gonna be some viral motherfuckers. Like, now we gonna be the fuck.
Play rock, paper, scissors with you. You got a buzzer on your finger.
I just wanna get his ass beat so bad.
Irritating. Alright. So let me tell y'all. So we in Target. Even though I didn't really film it. Because I ran off laughing. We spotted this boy that had pink hair. So, he's a pink white. He's a... I ain't trying to be racist, but he white. You feel me? White boy with pink hair. So he reminded me of Ninja. So I was like, ooh, we gotta tell him he Ninja this and that. It was just so funny. Like, I'm like, fucking hilarious, bro. So mind you, he's just sitting there like confused. I thought he would know who Ninja was. So I'm like, oh my God, that's Ninja. She go over there, you know, I recorded her on her phone. And then she's like, Ninja, can I take a picture with you? So she touching him and everything. So he looking like, he said, I think you have the wrong person. It was just so funny. Like, I couldn't record it anymore because, like, I know how I am. When I'm nervous, I laugh. And I freaking run, so.
Nigga, I'm the one that should be nervous.
So I started running and stuff. Like, I just stopped recording after that. Like, I had to, bro. Shit was so fucking funny.
I don't know how you gonna make these little public pranks if you gonna keep running off.
I can't help it. Okay, I'm gonna get used to it. Like, okay, so I'm not good at public pranks at all, bro. I just have to get used to, like, talking to people because I'm not, you feel me? I'm not the type of person, like, yeah, I seem open and all, yeah, I'm nice, but at the same time, like, I'm not, well, I'm not gonna say I'm not nice, but I'm nervous nice, you feel me?
Backwards, babe. You wanna know
Like,
why? Because
that's how I am.
seem like I'm shy, but I'm not. But you not shy, but you act like you shy. Like,
I don't know.
you backwards.
I can't help it.
I can't help it either. Like, it seems like this and that, shy and shit. But in reality,
Gee, can y'all, like, shut up, please?
like, fuck y'all, bitch.
They gonna peck the mess out of us. This ain't no Silent Hill. Hush. It needs to be Silent Hill. Hush. Oh, hell no. Just shit it on my arm. He just shit it. Oh, hell to the motherfucking no. He just shit it on my arm.
Damn, man, you got shit on.
I'm not wearing this no more. That's not funny.
I'm gonna tell mama you got booty on. Somebody finally shitted on you, G.
What the heck?
That's good luck.
It ain't on my... Bro, he just shit it on my arm. I don't even want to smell it. And I was just finna smell it. He just shit it like literally out of nowhere. Just go fuck yourself. He just told me that. Just to go fuck yourself.
You got shit on.
Cause I'm sitting here, I say, shut the fuck up. They just shitted on me. Like I was his worst enemy. The fuck? Is it on my hand?
No.
This is fucked up.
You got shit on.
Just shit it on my hand. He just told me to just go fuck myself.
All glittery shit.
He really told me to just fuck myself.
Ain't got shit on, G.
He literally just told me to go fuck myself. Just shit it on me. Bruh. I'm pissed. A fucking crow just shit on my arm.
Oh God, you gotta make me. I gotta make thumbnail of that.
Bro. A fucking crow just shitted on my arm, bro. Bro. What? And on my jacket? I don't understand this. I'm pissed. Look at the bus right there, too.
Oh, man, that's gross.
I can't even watch this no more. I have to go home now. Little do you know, I have to go home now.
Not really,
No, I'm going home.
babe.
I'm not getting shitted on no more. I'm tired. Oh, shit. Just got shitted on. Hey, YouTube. It's your girl, Tony. You feel me? I'm back in the building. Literally back in the building. I just got here. I'm getting my hair done. As you can see, this is the finished product. This is the finished product of how my hair looks for my birthday. But now, this might be getting uploaded by 12 o'clock, or I don't know. by my birthday. Just know that it's gonna be on my birthday. So yeah. So y'all can see. You feel me? I can't see the back of my neck because, you know, you feel me? I'm not going to be able to see it, so why would I? But yeah, I'm going to be doing a photo shoot for you guys, okay? Okay? So make sure y'all stay tuned in. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Go ahead, hit that like button right now. If you got the